So here I am, sitting comfortably on the bench, minding my own business, probably having a glass of wine, because this is Italy, right? And some ruffian comes to stab at me. So I block it with the bastoncello, okay? And get to my feet and do the plays of the 8th master of the dagger. I cover and I get to my feet, okay? And do the plays of my master. Now he's not clear whether it's the dagger master or the Abrazare master that you should be following. This is a section of the Abrazare, so it could well be the Abrazare master, but it doesn't really matter. The point is that having made the cover, yeah, where you're blocking the dagger down, you can do, as long as you don't just sit there, you can do things. For instance, yeah, or my favorite is just stripping the dagger, yeah,